May the 23rd, mammals and their young. Badgers can still be watched with their young in May. They occasionally give birth to albinos or dark melanistic forms. If the badgers are not seen, their dung pits, pieces of hair, evidence of recent digging, or a few paw prints may betray their presence. Only their front paws have claws, which are sometimes to be seen being cleaned before a badger enters its set. Young foxes may stray a little this month, and when they encounter humans they stare perplexed with their amber eyes before trotting away. Their parents now have bright, shiny red coats and full tails. Red deer give birth to a single calf, which is unable to stand for a week. The hind leaves it well camouflaged, returning to let it suckle only 2 or 3 times a day. Once the calf is able to follow its mother, this increases to once an hour. Fallow deer also have their young in May or June. Their young can run in just a few hours. Roe deer are still pregnant, as are hedgehogs, water voles, and dormice. Most other mammals spend May breeding or building nests. Adult moles can sometimes be seen running across the surface at this time of year. It is believed rather than looking for females, they may be looking for water. They are light sleepers, often sleeping in an upright position. By the end of the month, they may have between 2 and 7 independent young, all with open eyes, although they can only see 1 or 2 centimeters in front of them. In the not too distant past, mole feet were worn like rabbit paws as a charm against rheumatism. The only other young likely to be seen this month are rabbits and squirrels. Inexperienced young rabbits graze freely inches away from roads, even in daylight. When cars or humans appear, they look dazed. Young squirrels look noticeably smaller than their parents and chase each other just as their parents do. They tend to be seen early and late in the day. Leverets are now leaving their dams and can be seen feeding alone or sometimes in small groups. They become attached to their forms, some of which they use in good weather and others when the weather is bad. They regularly return to the same one, leading to the old belief that they return to their form to die. Adult hares grind their teeth and it was thought they chewed the cud. Most mice and shrews are now breeding rapidly. Water shrews give birth to between 5 and 8 young, with the young sometimes seen playing around the entrance of their burrows. If disturbed, shrews have the habit of standing their ground, shivering and waving their long pointed noses. With their neurotic behavior, it was believed they died of shock in thunderstorms. Some of their high-pitched squeals are above human hearing. If caught by predators, shrews feign death and consequently often get left untouched. Mice, on the other hand, are a favorite food for many predators, especially weasels. Like stoats, weasels also give birth this month and will quickly go on to hunt in family groups. They are known to climb trees and swim and eat 1/3 of their own weight each day. Stoats, which are now confined to London's Greenbelt, bring back food to the nest, perhaps as much as 4 times their weight. They will even roll eggs with their chin. The young are blind at birth but start to follow their mother after 9 days. They will happily live and play with rabbits, but eat them when they feel hungry.